Here's how to delete your Facebook page on your mobile device. Start by launching your Facebook app, just like so, and head over to your profiles. So we need to switch to the Facebook page we want to delete, right? So we'll go with the Facebook page and switch to the Facebook page. Now once you're there, go back to the profile like this, scroll down, settings and privacy, settings. Now scroll down to access and control. That's where Facebook have actually hidden the place to delete your Facebook page. So tap on access and control. So we can actually see the deactivation and deletion button. Tap on it. So tap on the delete page, continue. Now at this stage you can actually continue. You have options to save posts in your archives, download your information and transfer your information. You can do whichever you want to. Continue. All you need to do at this point is insert your password, and once you do so, you're free to delete, or you're already done deleting your Facebook page. So thanks for watching. If it was very helpful, consider liking the video. Also subscribe to this channel, that supports me a lot, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.